Hello, everybody. Welcome to the subject Total Building Performance. I'm Shruti, your lecturer for this subject. This is a level 3 subject, a core module for GBS diploma. It's a 4 CU, which means you will be seeing me for 4 hours every week, 2 hours for the lecture, and 2 hours for either the tutorial or the lab session. Tutorial is a follow-up of the lecture, and we would understand the contents of the lecture better in tutorial sessions. And in lab session, we would be learning a software um, called IES, which is an energy modeling software where you study or where you apply the theory which you learned during the lecture and the tutorial. Okay. The assessment components of total building performance constitute of lab work, which is divided in lab work 1, which is 1A and 1B, with a total weightage of 10%. Lab work 2, which constitutes of 2A and 2B, with a total weightage of 10%. Coming to assignment, um, it constitutes of 15% weightage, which is divided into 10% for a handwritten assignment on the performance of building envelope, while 5% is on lighting calculation assignment. So assignment is total 15% weightage. Coming to term test, 20% weightage. Quiz 1, quiz 2, there are two quizzes, 10% each, so a total of 20% weightage. Project, which is group work and a self-directed learning approach for the project, is 25% weightage. So this is a non-exam subject, and the assessment components are as just in mentioned to you. Now, what exactly is total building performance? What are you going to be learning in this subject? Okay, so this subject provides an overview of the key factors which affect the performance and efficiency of buildings. So basically, you would be understanding what defines a good building design, what exactly goes into an energy efficient building design. So here we all are studying sustainability and green building design. So this is a very important subject where you understand the theory as well as application in the lab session through the energy modeling software. So it introduces you to the performance mandates. Mandates is requirements. It introduces to you to the performance requirements of any building and focuses on an integrated approach. So, understanding how the different factors come together, how they meet to fulfill the building performance criteria, right? So, the energy modeling software, energy modeling is basically you would model the energy, which is you would simulate the energy consumption of any building design. So, through this software, you are able to determine in design stage what exactly would the energy consumption of any building design would be. Now, in any existing if and in any existing building, it's not too difficult to determine the energy consumption because we can understand the energy consumption through the energy bills. However, understanding the energy consumption even before it is built, which is in design stage, is a challenge. Now, this software gives us the opportunity to apply the different factors uh, and understand through computational modeling um, the energy consumption of the building. Now, what does this semester of total building performance look like? It's divided into two terms. The first four topics would be covered in term 1, and term 2, chapter 4, the topic 4 would flow into term 2 as well. Topic 4 to 8 would be covered in term 2. Topic 1 is Introduction to Total Building Performance, which basically gives you an overview of all the chapters, right? And the last chapter is where all the topics come together. So, from topic 2 to 7, we would be studying these 6 performance mandates. So, one topic for each performance criteria for each performance mandate, right? So, we would be studying thermal performance, spatial performance, air quality performance, acoustical performance, visual performance, and the building integrity performance. Now, what exactly this means and how it affects the building design, we would study in detail for each chapter. This is a list of the recommended references. You can refer especially the book, the Building Systems Integration Handbook by Rush R.D. These books are available in our library. However, referring to the notes which are published on LMS system should be enough for you to answer your exams, as well as the quiz and the assignments, right? So this is how the landing page of this subject, total building performance, looks like. And on the left, you can see the list of all the chapters for you. So feel free and navigate through this through this platform and get introduced to this subject. So that was an overview of total building performance for you. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.